So for this particular case, we will be reviewing and summarizing and answering the question of how the evidence presented supported the conclusions / verdicts of the case. So I will quickly go over what we have already viewed, but in 2002, the case of Holly Wells and Jessica Chapman, the police were struggling to find any clues or evidence regarding the case or where to start. So they called upon forensic botanist Patricia Wiltshire to investigate and find any evidence. She noticed that there were sproutings of new side shoots on the nettle plants, and this provided a timeline for when the bodies were dumped, meaning that the bodies were dumped the same day that they were killed. The growths of these plants also made it clear to the botanist of the path that the killer took to the ditch. And so with that, they were able to compare pollen and spore samples to the suspect, Ian Huntley. And this evidence presented led to Ian Huntley being arrested and prosecuted. The nettles were not used to solve the murder specifically, but it was a starting point. It was their starting point, and it gave them a lot of information about the path that Ian took, and this led to other information like spores and pollen to be used to help solve the murder.